Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into a straightforward guide on how to send Bitcoin from Bitmart to Metamask in 2025. If you're new to crypto or just want a quick refresher, this step-by-step tutorial will have you transferring your BTC smoothly and securely. Why do this? Well, Metamask is great for managing various assets, and moving Bitcoin over can help you diversify or prepare for DeFi opportunities. But remember, Bitcoin and Metamask don't always play nice directly since Metamask is primarily for Ethereum-based tokens. We'll assume you're using a wrapped Bitcoin version or a compatible setup. Always double-check compatibility first. First things first, make sure you have both a Bitmart account with some Bitcoin in it and Metamask installed on your device. Open Metamask and switch to the network that supports Bitcoin, like a wrapped BTC on Ethereum, then copy your wallet address. This is crucial. Never share this with anyone. Now, head over to your Bitmart account. Log in securely, go to the Wallet or Assets section, and find your Bitcoin balance. Click on Withdraw next to Bitcoin. You'll see a form pop up. Paste the Metamask address you copied earlier into the recipient field. Double-check that address to avoid any costly mistakes. Next, enter the amount of Bitcoin you want to send. Bitmart will show you the network fees, so keep an eye on those. They can vary based on blockchain congestion. Once you're happy, hit Confirm and verify the transaction with any 2FA or security codes. Sit tight while the transaction processes. It might take a few minutes to an hour, depending on the network. A few quick tips. Always use the correct network for your Metamask wallet to prevent funds from getting lost. Start with a small amount if you're testing, and never rush the process. If you run into issues, check Bitmart's support or community forums. There you have it. That's how you send Bitcoin from Bitmart to Metamask in 2025. It's easier than it sounds once you get the hang of it. If this helped, give it a like and subscribe for more crypto tips. See you in the next video.